Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our today's video, throwback po tayo sa 90s, 2000s, at ngayon. Subscribe na to YouTube channel. Mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abutin na 500 subscribers. Supportan natin sa ating social media accounts. Ako, latest vlog, yay! 270! Wow! Episode 270 na. Title, Trending Throwback is your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights. Ayan, eto. Una natin sa 90s. We have a GMA Telecine Specials and CBN Asia's kung saan sisikat are starring Best Single Performance by Actress Aiza Sigera from PNPC Star Awards. Nanayon ay Sigera, Julian Santos Agoncillo, and Connie Reyes. Kaya ang kwento, like pura sibilya na mahirapan noon, gustong mag-aaral mabuti. Kasama ang kanilang legal guardian na si Miss Lydia Ilustre, led by Miss Rio Loxi. While yung kanilang nanay ni pura sibilyan na si Clara, led by Gina Alahar. Nako, sabi, pag-aaral ka? Hindi. Sa bahay lang ng magpatrabaho. Kaya, nako. In the end, si Connie Reyes, si pura sibilya, ay graduate na siya ng summa cum laude sa college. At nakita na si Arlene Sevilla, led by Lady Lee and Melissa Mendez. Na-miss po yung GMA Telecine Special. At syempre, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga throwbackers on kung saan sisikat ang araw. Now, we're going to 2000s Team-Oriented Show. Boys Next Door won Best Youth-Oriented Show for 2008. PNPC Star Wars starring the late Margie Sierra, who died 2008. Liza De Castro, Chris Bernal, Alger Brenica, Mark Escudero, Rich Asuncion, Jessica Riquera, and Kiko Junio. All about the brothers Buboy, Atong, Mix, Dekdek, and the girls Isabel, Steph Prescott, yan Sari, Kopi, Winona, and Milo. This year, who turned 17 years old this year. And next year, mag-18 na ang Team-Oriented Show, Boys Next Door. And also, airing in South Korea and Malaysia after Boys Next Door ends January 13, 2008. And now, for our one-of-a-kind Idol Philippines Season 2. 2 years na po! Yay! 2 years na po! Hosted by Mr. Robbie Domingo with judges Regine Velasquez Alcacel, Moira de la Torre, Gary Badiciano, and Chito Miranda was grand winner Kimo Gumata, and also Kai, Ricey, Brian Ann, Deli, Nisha, Misha, Anthony, and Dre. Congratulations to Idol Philippines! And may balita ko, may bagong season ng Idol Philippines along with Minute to Win It and Kapamina Deal Honordi, according to the stockholders of Hola's Facebook page at kay Carlo Katibak of ABS-CBN chairperson na next year pa ang Idol Philippines Season 3 2025. Kaya good luck lang and let's pray. Pray, pag-pray tayo. Yan po ang ating trending throwback sa ating good vibes na episode sa ating Gabby's Vlog. Para ba tayo matapos? Oras na para sa ating New Music Friday. a new song from Coldplay, Taylor Swift, Juan Carlos, Moira, and Janela Salvador is now available on Spotify and iTunes and YouTube Music through New Music Friday Philippines. And makikita ko kung sino yung artist ay meron ng kanta, sayaw, at string na. Yan for our latest vlog. See you next vlog. Bye! Bye! God bless!